Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video we will be talking about how to create a playlist on YouTube. So if you are new to my channel then please subscribe it. Now without wasting your time, let's get into our video. First of all, as you can see, I have opened YouTube, and from here you just have to click on this icon and go to YouTube Studio. And here in the YouTube Studio page you can see in the left side there is an option of playlist. Just click on it, and I have created one playlist, so it is here. Now for creating more playlist, I will just click on this new playlist. Just tap on it, and here you can name your playlist. For example, I will just type as. Now just click on this create, and here you can see that our playlist is created, and you can also edit this and edit your title, and you can also edit the privacy. You have to set it to public so that all of the pupils may see your playlist. And in the description, you just have to click on this description and you can write any description here. For example, if your playlist is about tech videos, then you just have to write it in the description section. I will just click on this save. You can add videos to your playlist from here. Just click on this add videos. Just click on this YouTube videos, and these all are my videos which I have uploaded on YouTube, so I can add any video here. I will just randomly select a video and I will add it into my new playlist. So here you can see in our new playlist I have added this video. So this is how you can add or create playlist in YouTube. I hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.